In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuickBooks when selecting an account for this transaction. If you're trying to record an expense or another entry and the account you want is missing, grayed out, or QuickBooks won't let you pick it, this walkthrough will help you get things back on track quickly and safely. First, confirm you're using the right account type for the form you're on. In an expense, the payment account at the top should be a bank or credit card type, not an income or liability account. On the category details lines, you'll typically choose expense or cost of goods sold accounts, and on item details you'll use products or services mapped to the correct accounts. If an account isn't appearing, open your chart of accounts and make sure it's active, not made inactive by mistake, and that its type matches how you're trying to use it. Some special accounts, like accounts receivable or accounts payable, won't show in certain fields by design. Aligning the account type with the form almost always restores the option to select it. Next, check whether the transaction you're editing has been reconciled or is in a closed period. QuickBooks protects reconciled entries, which can limit what you can change, including the account. Open the register and look for an R status or verify whether a closing date is set. If it's reconciled or locked, coordinate with your accountant before making changes so you don't break a completed reconciliation. If everything looks correct but the problem persists, clear your browser cache and cookies. QuickBooks. Online relies on fresh browser data, and stale cache can hide updates or keep old drop-down lists stuck. In your browser history settings, clear cached images and files and cookies for at least the recent period, then fully close and reopen the browser. After that, sign out of QuickBooks and sign back in. A fresh login refreshes your session and permissions. If you can, test again in a private or incognito window to rule out a browser extension interfering with the page. Finally, if the issue continues, open the Help or Support panel from the right side of QuickBooks. Describe that you can't select the desired account for this transaction, include the form type you're using, and note any account types involved. Ask whether there's a known issue affecting account dropdowns for your region or browser, and request guidance specific to your company file. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to select the correct account and finish your transaction with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.